There may well be a reason why you create drawings at an angle such as this. This is the house here 2/3 the way out from the back boundary and closer to the front, but it's on a slight angle, about a 5-degree angle. Your layout tabs help overcome that. You can present this in any way you want. So if we go to layout 2, you'll see that at the moment the layout on this white paper here reflects what we see in model space. But if you select the layout frame by just clicking and dragging, right click and go to activate the viewport, it is possible to just swivel the frame of the layout around so that it squares up with the design. So I'm just rotating it just by eye a slight amount. Now I'll right click and display on the layout. I'll then deactivate the viewport, and you can see now that we've squared our design up. I'll use yellow here, and that doesn't show terribly well on the white background, and we need to attend to that. But can you see we've almost squared things up? But we do have to turn our north indicator and our scale bar appropriately, so there's still some tweaking to do. We need to, in fact, find out what the angle of one of these lines is. So let's select that one there. It's 85, so it is in fact about a 5-degree negative rotation. So we'll need to rotate that scale bar, and the north point will adjust north in a moment, but we can rotate that around that as the base -5. That should square things up a little better, and we could explode. No, we don't need to. It's part of we can, without exploding, we can rotate the north point to get it pointing where we want it, and we're done. So now when we go into our layout, things look pretty good. There's our scale bar oriented reasonably well. I still need to fiddle it a little to get it squared off. You can see this line through here is still not at the right angle, but I'm sure you get my drift. It is possible to tweak things in that fashion. I would much prefer to rotate the whole image rather than do it as we've been doing there.